Materials that communicate luxury make a positive impact on your brand. True elegance is revealed through the details and harmony of texture, gloss, and color. With this in mind, Konica Minolta Sensing designed the new Spectrophotometer CM-25cG. This portable spectrophotometer has 45-0 geometry and a true 60-degree gloss sensor. Two advanced optical systems allow you to capture both color and gloss in an instant. Match or exceed standards for color and gloss measurements with a commitment to accuracy. Konica Minolta Sensing developed the CM-25cG in close cooperation with major automakers to communicate color and gloss every step of the way. Automotive interiors consist of a wide range of materials from different suppliers. An excellent inter-instrument agreement ensures reliability throughout the global supply chain. When measuring uneven or textured areas, repeatability is an industry challenge and causes fluctuating results. A proprietary illumination system with 45-0 geometry allows you to achieve stable and repeatable color readings regardless of position. You can cover many areas and measure a substantial number of samples. Each measurement only takes 1 second, a half second for gloss and a half second for color. Konica Minolta Sensing gives special attention to size and shape so you can comfortably use the lightweight CM-25cG with either hand. An ergonomic design allows you to fit the instrument in narrow spaces, underneath the windshield, and other hard-to-reach areas. You can now change aperture size and measure smaller parts. A larger aperture allows you to average texture of a measured area. View spectral, colorimetric, and gloss readings on the large LCD display. Bluetooth connectivity lets you manage a clutter-free space and upload measurements to a remote computer. A complete quality control and color management system is possible with the instrument's internal firmware and SpectraMagic DX optional quality control software. SpectraMagic DX allows you to configure graphic and numerical layout according to your needs, from pass-fail to more sophisticated analysis with spectral, color, and trend graphs. Capture color with 45-0 geometry and gloss with a true 60-degree gloss sensor. The Spectrophotometer CM-25cG saves significant time and lowers production costs for the automotive industry.